Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very important for you because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful and a wide variety of design ideas that how you can design your baby girls dresses with the help of stitching design patterns, with the help of very beautiful styling patterns. That is, you can design them with the help of buttons, laces, different color fabric, highlighting fabric and different stitching techniques. But all you have to do is stay connected, stay concerned, and don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end. I bet and I assure you that at the end of this video you will make up your mind. You will get crazy, amazing, stylish yet easy to make design ideas that how you are going to design the dresses, the frocks of your baby girls. But before that, going into the further details of this video, I have a very simple request to you, that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to like my video. And if you are watching first time, then please do subscribe my channel right now, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. So now we will not exaggerate it further and we will not drag down our list of simple but very cute and innocent requests. That is one more and last request, that kindly please do make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family so that we could grow into a larger and larger YouTube family, YouTube subscribers, YouTube friends and followers. So now let's move back to our main motive, our main purpose for which we are making this video, and that is how you can design your baby girls dress designs, your baby girls frocks. Friends, one more thing, all of these designs are usually made up of by following the patterns of frocks with a very lighter length sleeves or half sleeves, sleeveless or a quarter sleeves. But at the same time you can use exactly these patterns of frocks for designing your winter dresses, summer dresses, intermixed fabrics, and throughout the whole year, any type of season it may occur. So now let's begin. Friends, there are some rules, there are some suggestions, there are some opinions by following which I bet that you are going to be a designer of your baby girl, of your kid, and you are absolute beginner, you haven't much efficient or complex skills of stitching, then kindly do follow these patterns. Like this, you can take a jean fabric, like a denim fabric, onto which you can design the whole frock by using a highlighting color, by using some laces, some tip tops, some ribbons, some bows. And not only this, you can take a check fabric and sew it, like making some frills on the frock body. You can also take some denim fabric base print. You can take some decent and elegant colors, like you can take some polka dot print, like some latest light dim floral prints, like botanical prints. Like if you take a simple plain fabric, then you can design it using a highlighting printed fabric by making round necks, collars, bow tie, some frills, some pleats, some highlighting fabric, lining, and similar is the way. But friends, you must have to show your consistency while making the design. These designs are very beautiful and these are highly inspired by, taken from highly paid designer dresses of baby girls. And one more thing, you can use these designs to make frocks of your baby girls ranging from 0 size to size 8 to 10. That is, you can make these frocks for your baby girls ranging from 1 month 0 size to 10 to 11 years baby girl comfortably. So these are different pattern based. Some are sleeveless with the deep round necks, front and heavy bot necks with sleeveless patterns, absolutely favorable for summers. These are absolute dresses for beach events, for outing, for vacations, and you can pair these frocks with a very appropriate and a very well defined combination of tights, trousers, shalwar, capris, cigarette pants. Like we were discussing that how you can pair up the bottoms with these very beautiful frocks. If you don't want to have a bottom, then you can simply go for a small underwear or some sort of shorts. But even at the same time, you can use different patterns of pants, like cigarette pants, tight pants, loose pants, whatever you like. So polka dots have played a very important role, because polka dots are the prints that are found throughout the whole regions of the country, and polka dot print is a print that has been in fashion from past many years, and upcoming years are also trending in polka dots. So you can design your baby girl frock by using polka dot print, and you can use some sort of plain fabric as a highlighting fabric to design your whole dress, and you can also use some sort of printing fabric to design the whole entire dress. You can also take some prints of like fresh fruits, like some botanical garden base. Some polka dots are also paired with some sort of soft net fabric or some organza fabric to design the whole frock of your baby girl. I am repeating it again. I know that you would be fed up with me that I am repeating it again and again, that these designs are very simple to make, and at the same time they are highly designer based, inspired by designer style ideas. And friends, if you are if it's only a possibility that if you are unable to find the beautiful and best designs of your choice, of your interest, then don't need to go anywhere or find something else. Simply go to our channel's playlist, baby frock designs, baby dresses. From there you can find hundreds of design, thousands of design ideas, ranging from stitching design ideas to the hand art like hand embroidery, fabric painting, mirror work, gota work, crochet design ideas, hand knitted, and much more related to the hand art like wool embroidery, like silk ribbon embroidery, like applique, and different passion, different formats, and different variety and design ideas of baby dress designing. In short, you can say that we have a very vast and a very broader view and perspective of design ideas. So friends, we are mostly concerned about your dressing interests, about your choices. So kindly do make a habit of commenting below my videos, because comment section is the only way of communication between us. That is, you would give us your suggestions, opinions, and interests, that what you want, how you feel about our content, and what you want us to share with you. So with this, allow me to leave friends, but I am again requesting you that you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end. And one more thing, if you want to get crazy, stylish, amazing, trendy, latest, easy design ideas related to women fashion, like women dress designing ideas, and according to different region based, like Indian designer wear, Pakistani designer wear, traditional Asian wear, Arabic dress designing, Western dress designing, Turkish style, Arabic style, Iranian dresses, European style, French style, American style, England, Canadian style, much more, boho dresses, Mexican dresses, Malaysian dresses, and much more, you can watch on my channel. I have made different playlists according to the division of fashion categories and different styling ideas, so that the time of my viewers, the time of my subscribers would not be wasted. They would simply go to the specific playlist and get a crazy, trendy, and stylish design ideas. I have also made a very separate playlist that is dressing and dress designs stitching guide. From that you can get very latest design ideas of how you can design your dresses in the form of tutorials, dress designing vlogs, step-by-step guide. And not only this, different designs of hand embroidery, footwear, baby footwear, handmade stuff, hand knitted stuff, crochet items, baby girls items, home decor ideas, pillows, cushions, bed sheets, much more related to home decor, girls fashionable accessories, different DIY mobile cases, glasses covers, some hair accessories like hairpins, bridal dresses designing, bridal outfits, bridal jewelry, wedding outfits, party outfits, and much more. But all you have to do is that you have to stay tuned, stay connected, watch our content on daily basis, and make a habit of massive commenting, so that you could let us know that what you feel and what you want us to share with you. And with this, I will leave, and again thanking you, especially all my permanent and active subscribers who watch my content on daily basis and get stylish, trendy, amazing, and easy designer style ideas of dress designing and much more related to the women fashion world. And welcome to the newcomers to my channel, and we bet that we will try our best to keep you entertained and hooked with our content. So take care. Allah Hafiz.